Mark here from JBBG. Let's take a look at this G1 from Galaxy. This is a 1-to-1 scale pistol, full metal. The only ABS is the trigger, the mag release and the mag. Nice small little mag, you just pull down, put your BBs in there, release the spring into the gun. No safety, no side stay, no open chamber, just a solid metal pistol. 1-to-1 scale. Take a look, that is on the website now. It's designed on a Colt 25, has metal barrel and is an almost indestructible pistol. So take a look, that's on the website now. Thanks for watching.